Yep.
Angle's good.
Yours is too high now. Okay.
Is it good? That's not good.
Well, obviously it's the battery.
But it's been charging. Ah. Memphis! Memphis! Hey, Memphis? Memphis, can you get me another battery for a second? I don't know why this one's not working either. Can you get me a battery? Oh, wait. Where did my knives go?
Sorry, I kind of had fun. Yeah, that kid with the rap with what's his name? The rep that's out there right now. The rep that's
Damn
out
it.
there right now.
Adam?
Yeah, he stole him and dude, shoot him!
Go on, dude.
In the ball.
Hey, Tom. Tom, would you happen to have an extra battery?
Yeah, is he gonna take that?
He's getting the pencil now.
An extra battery?
Yeah.
Are you gonna return it?
Yeah. Obviously.
Well, obviously, is what everybody says, and then at the end of each week, we're like 10 batteries less than we had going into the week.
But Tom, you love me though. Thank you.
So, yeah, so I just
Like I still want to see some black gear, so I also want to.
What the fuck? Ah. Holy shit.
About airsoft, I always feel like either something got stolen, lost, or I dropped it in there, or out here. I'm always like, when you were there,
You're fucking.
where were they?
Fuck you.
Where'd you go? Where were they?
It's not working right now.
Oh, that's where my gun came. Where were they? What'd I do? Where's your shotgun?
Took them. It's up.
Where were they?
It's like unloaded. You had them, you fucker.
Is this like, oh,
Sorry.
I didn't have them. Where were they?
Adam, I'm gonna shoot you. I know. I don't know what the hell's wrong. You're a fucker. Is it legible?
Yeah. I like how we. Alright. Now this is gonna go. I'm gonna completely remake these. They're heading up my arm. As long as Troll's with me, that's it. Alright. Are you serious? You want the red band? Oh, your worst color. Spaghetti. You two are starting my no bands. Huh? You two are starting my no bands.
Oh, I can feel the hole. So Adam, where are my knives, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, you didn't take it?
What would I want with your knife?
You put them. I had people tell me.
Who told you?
Swear to God.
Who told you what?
I was told to.
Try to outline it. You two are saying armband? I'm gonna try to outline it with BBs. Come on. Ready? That one.
Yeah, now let's turn around.
And then you four are gonna be armband.
I think it's somewhat legible.
Oh,
Everybody here subscribe.
I already did.
Okay, good.
I already did.
Roll 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, turn around. Let me see it again.
You got
YouTube
is like not legible.
1, 2, 3, 1, 4. All right, I'm gonna blank out with the 1.
No.
I'll look up.
Just get rid of YouTube.
Okay. All right, guys. There's the yellow flag hidden somewhere in Suicide Alley. Find it. You got 10 minutes. Which side?
Find it.
The no band?
Adam took my knives, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna shoot him for it.
We're gonna try to get into suicide or what?
What?
We're gonna try to get into suicide or what?
Yeah? What'd I do? I have no idea what you're talking about. Doorway. I got it. Halo! Help me out here. I'm coming. Same team. Hit. Don't blind fire. Halo, I'm moving up. Adam! Adam!